Hey, we're doing the cinnamon challenge today. So, get over here. I'm probably going to take more. I can even get any out.
Aye, Snoopy. Aye, Snoopy. Aye, Snoopy. Aye, Snoopy.
Okay, ready? Not yet, not yet. Okay, ready?
So we just put it in our mouths.
2, 3.
I got spit.
Oh.
Oh, man.
That's so gross. Ugh.
Oh, nice. He's coming.
Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
We could not conquer the cinnamon challenge this time.
Dude, that's hard.
I know.
It makes your mouth all like dry inside.
Well, we'll see you next time with maybe another cinnamon challenge. Bye. Oh, it's Killer 99 here. Peace.